Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some of the items I received from Caspire. I did an unboxing probably a month or so ago, and I will leave the video link here so you can go back and refresh your mind. But I did get all of this stuff pretty much here from Caspire. This is the silicone mat. I already have this candle. I already have everything else is from them. But you can see I have totally been playing, and these colors are so beautiful. I'm just having so much fun. I've made tons of them. Some of them have come out good. I'm still working on the technique. So some of them have come out real good, like that one there. Focus, there you go. So like that one there. And some of them not so much, but I can use them for embellishments, you know, to add to envelopes like they were purposed for, all kinds of things. You can use them as an embellishment and embellish embellishments. So watch for videos. I will be adding these to my projects. I'm looking forward to adding them to scrapbook layouts as well. But here's some of the other colors. It is very much a learning curve to pour the right amount, or even to melt the right amount, to be able to pour enough so that you can get a good seal. So these are wax. I was going to try this with crayon because I figure crayon melts, it'll leave an impression. I don't know what it'll do to your stamps. I think that's what they're called, stamps. But look, and this is the purple one. So I haven't used them all yet, but I am working on it. I'm trying my hardest to work on them. And so I'm making a lot to build up my stash, and then I am going to share some with my crafty friends as well. So some of these I melted, you know, to clean the bowl. I melted out the last few of the wax that was there and just added the next color I was going to work on. So these have a few different colors on them. Let me zoom in a little so you can see what actually happens. Okay, so I am going to try this cactus. And so they just spin off. I feel like I have a good variety. There's tons of different images that you can find for these in craft stores and online at Caspire. I'm gonna leave a link to their website in my description box below. They also have offered me a coupon code for my subscribers, and I think it is a lifetime code. So it is Makaz, like my channel, Makaz, M-A-K-A-Z 5, and that's gonna give you $5 off 40. They have sales every once in a while, so just go check them out. I'm gonna leave the link to these products as well in my description box below so you can check them out. But I'm interested to know if you have used wax seals. Let me know in the comments below. And then, do you just use them for envelopes, or what else have you used them for? You don't need to see me melting the wax, but this is what I do. I just have this candle. There are purposeful, I don't know. There are candles, or there are candle holder for the tea light that you can rest this on. So they're made specifically for this. I do not have that. I have just used the only candle I have in the home. I don't usually burn candles just because, I don't know. I don't burn them. I have wax melts, tons of wax melts, but not candles. So that's what I do. Let me zoom back in so you can see what I'm actually making. Let me add more. And it just takes a few minutes for it to melt down. So and as you can see, I even do it without the handle. So let's see, I'm gonna change colors. Let's go to this pink, see what we get. And as we're waiting for this to heat up, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh yeah. So I got some of the ash, which is junk, and I did get a good press. But you can see I got some of the ash, but it's okay. So I got that one, and then let's see this one. This one might be thin. Oh no, not bad. So this one is the monstera leaf, and that one came out pretty good. I like it. Okay, let's see what's the next one. Yeah, so it's just a matter of waiting for the wax to melt so that you can pour it. So just pour. I got more of the ash. Oh, this is a pretty color, I think. Let me try some more. I gotta watch so I don't get the ash. Let me pay attention this time. So this is probably the only second or third time I've sat down to play with this, but this bowl is very black on the underneath, even though I've wiped it down a few times. And you definitely don't want to touch it because the bugger is hot like fire. Okay, come on, let's melt down. That's the only thing when you're doing this, there is a little weight. It'd be better if I had that tea light holder, that way I could just set it on it and do something else. I don't have nothing to set it on right now, so I have to tend to it. Okay. Still got the wax, the freaking powder. The ash. Ow. Okay, since you're gonna go that way, let's go that way. Okay, but you get the gist. Let's see about this one. That one would have been nice too. So like this big lips, I don't usually like it. I usually cut it off with whatever scissors I have, obviously. And then if it's kind of a big piece like that one, then I cut it down and I just add it back to the bowl that I am melting. That way, I don't waste. cut some wax. Let's see. Oh, this one's not bad. It still has some of the black ash in it, but I'm gonna trim up a little. But yeah, look. It's the castle and the fireworks. I love it. So if you have tips or techniques that I should try or use, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. Focus.